Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a fun creative World Cup cartoon pose using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered tool that will help you to generate any AI content like maybe creative AI images, and then AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, AI designs, and many more. And then in here we will use this tool to create creative World Cup cartoon pose. And if you want to use this or access this Pippit AI, you can just click the link in the descriptions. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then go to more, and then choose Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then just upload the image that you want to transform like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt if you want, or if you want to create your own prompt, just create it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model, and then in here just choose your ratio that you want, and then after that just simply click submit. And just like that, just wait for the process. And okay, like this you can see it. I think it's so cute like this. You can see it. Your photo will be transformed into a colorful World Cup inspired cartoon pose that perfect for sharing on social media like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.